This is the Parador of Tui. It's the 70th Parador that Duke and I have stayed at, and it's located on the Minho River where Spanish Galicia borders Portugal. The Parador's website says that the building is a faithful reproduction of a Galician country house in a mountainous river setting. Paradors are hotels owned and run by the Spanish government. They're usually in historic buildings like monasteries, convents, or castles, although some of them are in modern buildings in exceptionally beautiful locations. There are currently 98 Paradors in Spain and 1 in Portugal. We were in Tui on February 26th, just before the start of Lent. We saw lots of people in costume celebrating Carnival. On average, the Paradors are surprisingly reasonably priced, especially in the off-season when we usually travel. We'd like to visit all of them someday. That goal has been a great way to explore Spain and see places we might not otherwise have visited.
Got across the border fairly easy without showing our vaccination cards.
The Parador hotels have a loyalty program. It's called the Amigos program. If you're a member, you receive a free welcome drink at each Parador. Duke and I often start discussing what to have for a welcome drink at about noon.
To Galicia.
Yes. Never been here before. This is great.
And to Paradors.
Oh my God, yes.
What number is it, do you think?
I think it's about number 70.
We are in Tui on the Portuguese-Spanish border, or just in Spain, in the Parador here. And this is our room. It's a suite. We have a beautiful little sitting area here with a balcony. We can go out there and a nice view of the river. And then the other room here is our... What do you think, dear?
I think it'll suffice.
Okay, good.
We'll make do. We'll make do there.
And this is the bedroom. As I showed the canopy bed there. And the refrigerator. And then over here is the bathroom. Back to the front hall. So I'm going to show you how one of the cool things about Paradors is you always get a big assortment of things in the bathroom. So we have here a vanity kit. I think that's got like earbuds and Kleenex and stuff. A bath sponge, 2 bath sponges actually. 2 dental kits here, that'd be a toothbrush and toothpaste. A shoe cleaning cloth. Tissues. A shaving kit. A shower cap. A comb. Pretty cool to have all this fun stuff. I've collected over the years a lot of brushes. They have a folding brush you sometimes get. I've got a whole collection of Parador combs. And of course there was a box with the soap in it, but that's already been opened and used. So that's just another cool thing about Parador.
For dinner, we went into the old town of Tui and had a fantastic meal.
You worn out? We haven't even started the
See
walk.
how far I've gone?
Yeah, no, I don't think so.
118,000 kilometers on this trail.
You're going to Campestre?
Yeah, Santiago de Santiago.
Okay, well, you got a long way to go still, so we better go.
I better go.
Can't even see the river down there.
We're close to it.
Yeah? Oh, I guess you can. It's just so still. Looks like we're out of the fog already. Yeah. This is the Parador of Tui. We came in there. There's reception. Off in the distance there you can see the Cathedral of Tui on top of the hill there. We played cards out on this terrace here yesterday. And then our room is the room with the two balconies up there on the very top. Wonderful room with a wonderful view. Really like it here. It's a nice place.